The curve editing tool is like an infinitely placeable tangent handle that you can move to any point along your curve and use to reshape your curve in any way you choose fit, as well as relocate various points along the curve. It's very, very easy to use. Let me go ahead and show you how this works. I'll begin by creating a curve using the CV curve tool, so nice little flowing curve like so. And let's go under Edit Curves and grab the Curve Editing tool. Now you're given this manipulator, which has several different parts, but they're all pretty easy to follow. First off, you have this little tiny guy hanging off the side, and what this allows you to do is control the parameter that the manipulator is sitting at. So you're kind of using this little tiny icon to slide the manipulator along the curve. And you'll notice as you do this that your tangent marker is going to, your tangent scale handle, is going to extend and contract, showing you the relative scales of each tangent as you move around. Also, the tangent rotation handle is going to move around, showing you the direction of each tangent so that you can change that as well. Let's go ahead and see how these work. I can grab this, which allows me to change the direction of each tangent. And notice as I move it around, the tangent is changing, meaning that the curve itself is changing shape. Very cool. Now, coming out of this manipulator, I also have these lines that point off in the major axes. And I can click on these to aim the tangent off in a specific direction. So if I need the tangent to run down the x-axis like so, I can do that, or maybe in the other direction along x like so. So very, very handy little toy to have. So you can click and change the direction of your tangents very quickly. Also, off of this, we have a scale handle for our tangents, which we can use to extend or decrease, kind of like multiply or divide out, how much influence our tangent actually has, kind of like a tangent weight handle if you look at it that way. And really, that's all there is to it. You can come along this, you can move various points of the curve, change the direction of the tangency, extend or contract the tangency as you see fit, and continue doing this until you've shaped the curve into what it is you're looking for. It's just a different way to work. It's not necessarily something that you have to use. If you're more comfortable just moving the CVs around the curve, by all means do that. This is just an alternative and a tool that you may find more useful, especially if you're used to the more Bezier style of adjusting curves. I think that's about it, so that'll wrap things up for this video.